We asked about the planting time, whether he applied the fertilizer called dung. It all depends on the nature of your land. Now, if your land is fertile, you don't really have to use dung when you are planting. You don't have to use fertilizers. But if your land is not fertile, then you can use dung. Use a fertilizer while planting. There will also be a difference in the way that these plants will produce. Now you see that part, I applied the fertilizer after my chili has already grown. I used a fertilizer called Java, which you apply right in the soil. Then we also asked about using cow dung as a fertilizer. Cow dung is very good, but if it's the hot weather, cow dung will affect you. Cow dung will dry up when it's hot. Then the plant will start to wilt because it will have the effect of the sun, but it won't be able to get the fertilizer that you have applied because cow dung will have dried up. When you apply cow dung on a crop like hot pepper, when it's a hot weather, you can easily see a crop where someone used cow dung because it gets heavily affected by the heat. Cow dung is very good when it's a rainy season. During the rainy season, when you see hot pepper that has cow dung as a fertilizer, that hot pepper will look extremely good. But in the hot season, your plantation will suffer a lot if you use cow dung as a fertilizer.